Hello guys, in this video you will see puncture process of truck tubes. Here you can see how big is the puncture of this lorry tube. Now he is applying gum inside the tube. This is a kind of rubber sheet which he is cutting according to the size and length of the puncture, and afterwards he will stick this rubber piece inside the tube so that it will get sticked well. Now, truck tube puncture process is done. Now, this tube will be heated under full pressure for 10 minutes so that the rubber will melt down into the tube and the truck tube restoration will be done. So guys, this is the process of puncture and tube restoration for big vehicles like trucks, lorries, JCB, crane and all the big vehicles. This is the process. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to never miss an update. Thank you.